Hi everyone, I just wanted to show you all how to just view the material and submit assignments and so on, right? So I know some of you all are using your phone for the Google Classroom. I'm just doing it here from my laptop, right? So I'm just going to show you something here. I'm going to go on a class I created just to test out stuff. So, right? So this is not your Google Classroom. It's just something I created just to test out my own stuff. So you're going to see the classroom come up, right? So you're going to see the material, right? So you see the little rectangle with the kind of bookmark? That is material, or it actually says posted a new material. Material will be stuff for you all to look at, stuff for you all to read, right? So you click on the material, and then it'll have some instructions, and then you click on YouTube video and you look at the YouTube video and so on, right? And then afterwards now we going back to the main forum for the class, and then after you look at the first video you'll have an assignment to do, right? So you'll see I posted a new assignment, rounding off for decimals. So what you'll have to do is you'll see a picture uploaded with the exercise, right? So you'll just click on it and you would see it open it up. So like right here will be right here, right? And then what you're going to do for me is you are going to right, let me just open it up, right? So open up. Well, this wasn't really, I don't think this was rounding off. I just chose I just chose a random exercise, right? And that will be the exercise once you open it. Now what you're going to do is then write in your notebook. You're going to write the date, maths, whatever, and then you are going to do your working and so on in your notebook. And then you are going to take a picture with your phone or whatever, your tablet, whatever, and then you're going to add, and then you're going to choose file or whatever from your phone, right? And then upload. You'll go on browse, right? And so on, and you just upload it, and then after, so let me just choose something then. I'm just going to choose something random, right? Let me just choose let's just choose something from the CXC stuff, right? And I just choosing something random, right? You wait for it to upload, right? And then afterwards, once it uploads, so this might take a little while. Oh, then right, so you'll see it upload there. Wait for it to upload, and then you're going to press turn in, right? And then this will come up. So you press turn in. So turn in means you're submitting it, right? Your work is only going to be seen by me, and you will get a mark, and I will mark it and everything, and you'll see the points you get and so on, right? So don't worry about anybody else seeing your answer. And yeah, so that's how you submit. You'll see here on submit if you want to remove something and then put back the correct thing if you made a mistake. But yeah, that's all you need to do, right? So any problems that you all are having, just let me know, right? And that's what you're going to do for your different sessions with me. You have new material videos to look at, then you have assignment to submit, right? So I hope this little video helps. Any questions, feel free to message me, call me, and ask questions, right? Or message right here on the Google Classroom. Thank you.